first wash it properly. Hola guys, so today we are going to do silver pamphlet fish recipe. So let's get started. Then mix it with turmeric, lemon juice and salt. Then keep it for 10 minutes. First we will cut it from the middle as shown in the picture. Then we will insert the paste of mustard, garlic, cumin, red chili, turmeric and salt. It is a sea fish. First, fry it with the help of any cooking oil. Pour 2 spoons of oil into the pan. After that, pour the mustard seed into the warm oil. Put the paste of onion, ginger and garlic. Then add tomato puree. Then stir it properly. After that, put some turmeric, red chili and salt in it. Again, stir it properly. Then put the fried fish in it. Its zoological name is Pampus argenteus. These fishes are mostly found in Indian Ocean, Pacific Ocean and Atlantic Ocean. I am plucking some coriander from our kitchen garden. It's ready. Let's garnish it. For garnishing, we are using here pomegranate and coriander. Oh, it looks so tasty. If you like our recipe, then subscribe to our channel. Like this video. Thanks for watching.